In today's episode, we will be telling you the differences between Salon gel polish and pure creamy hybrid colors from Victoria Vynn. And also we will show you how to apply pure creamy hybrid colors. Hello everyone, it's Manji, Victoria Vynn's international nail instructor. Welcome to Victoria Vynn's nail series. Today we are deep diving into the art of pure creamy hybrid color manicure using Victoria Vynn's product. So let's create a stunning manicure together. And also stay tuned till the end to know the differences between Salon gel polish and pure creamy hybrid gel colors from Victoria Vynn. Products that we are using in this tutorial are pure creamy hybrid color in 115. It is called lavender mints, the pure creamy hybrid base coat and top coats. In addition, we will need a wooden stick, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle nipper, cuticle remover, a nail filer of 100 by 180 grit, nail prep to dehydrate, tape bond for better adhesion, cuticle oil. Beside this, Victoria Vynn dehydrator, extra adhesion, and cleanser finish manicure. As hygiene is the first priority, let's sanitize both of our hands and wear gloves to avoid contact with pathogens. Let's prepare our model's nails by filing her nail with 100 by 180 grit filer as she desires. Subsequently, all the finger shapes are done. Apply a little amount of Victoria Vynn cuticle jelly remover around the cuticles and start pushing cuticles gently. After the optimal pushing of the cuticle, start cutting them precisely. The next step is buffing the nail plate with 100 by 180 grit buffers. Making sure to get into each corner of the nails to remove shine and rough the nail surface for better polish adherence. And it is also one of the reasons to get chipping issues if we don't do it properly. Dust off with Victoria Vynn manicure brush and wipe away any dust with lint-free wipes soaked in Victoria Vynn dehydrator extra adhesion liquid. This ensures a clean, oil-free nail plates. To reinforce the preparation of the nail plate, we will apply nail prep to dehydrate the nail plates and to balance the pH level of it. Also, we will avoid touching cuticles. Allow it for approx 30 seconds to evaporate. Drain the brush off the tape bond and apply to the natural nail plate. Wait approx 30 seconds. It increases the adhesion of the base to the natural nail plate. It's not necessary to cure it into the lamp. We continue with a thin layer of pure creamy hybrid base coat to the natural nail plate, making sure without touching on the cuticle, and cure it to the LED lamp for 60 seconds after applying it on all 5 fingers. Now comes the fun part. We will be applying Victoria Vynn pure creamy hybrid color in 115 lavender mist for flawless application. Apply a thin layer of color. Start at the base of the nail and drag the brush in smooth stroke towards the free edge. Also, not to forget to lock the free edge of the nails and cure it to the LED lamp for 60 seconds with the following application to all the 5 fingers. Before we move into our second layer, remember, for a more opaque color, we must apply very thin coat to assure the full process of polymerization. And additionally, let me tell you the advantage of pure creamy hybrid colors, that it has amazing self-leveling properties, instant pigmentation, and because of its creamy textures, it gives you amazing self-leveling, smooth application without line on the nail surface if we apply it properly. But girls, are you facing this issue? This? And how about this? Let me know on the comment if you want to know the reason behind these issues and how to solve these issues. We will make a special video for you on this topic. On the second layer, we place the brush close to the nail fold and we move towards the cuticle area in a pulsing motion, keeping in mind we should not touch the cuticles. Also, we don't press the brush too hard into the nail plate to avoid creating strikes. Following the same move on all 5 fingers, we secure the application into the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Eventually, we cover the entire nail surface with pure creamy top coat. We repeat this on all 5 fingers and we give a full cure to the LED lamp for 60 seconds. To get the best shine, we clean the sticky residue with our Cleanser Finish Manicure liquid, taking it in a wipes. Cleanser Finish Manicure is a product which is the best to remove the dispersion layer without drying the cuticles, and it leaves very pleasant smell to the hands. Do you know Victoria Vynn has long range of top coats without dispersion layer and different base coats? Let's groom and nourish the cuticles with Victoria Vynn's 5 oil complex by rubbing into the cuticles. And there you have it, a stunning pure creamy hybrid gel manicure. Now let's plunge into the difference between Salon gel polish and pure creamy hybrid gel colors from Victoria Vynn. Salon gel polish has over 350 colors with different effects like glowing in the dark, cat eyes, which is the magnetic colors, and many more like glitters. Likewise, in pure creamy hybrid colors has over 250 colors with beautiful subtle pastel colors, and it has instant pigmentation. Salon gel polish has medium gel consistency with variety of base coat and top coat effects. And pure creamy hybrid has a creamy consistency which gives you smooth application without getting a stroke of a brush, as it has a self-leveling properties. A Salon gel polish has flat and a bit long brush which gives you a professional application. Likewise, pure creamy hybrid has flat and a bit shorter brush than Salon gel polish, which allows you to get the right amount of the color to apply. Salon gel polish can be cured in UV and LED lamps, whereas pure creamy hybrids can be cured only in LED lamps. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail tutorials, and also please let me know if this video helped you. See you in next episode.